Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I get my slick ponytail, and I'll be using this drawstring pony today. So today you're going to need a brush, a comb, and a gel of your choice. I like Gorilla Snot. It really holds my hair down. So I'm going to get started. So first you're going to decide whether you want a side part, a middle part. I love side parts, so yeah, we're going to do a side part today. And just make sure your side part is very accurate and straight, because that's going to be very important when you do your ponytail. So now that you made your part, you're going to take your paddle brush and you're going to brush all the way through your hair. This is just to make sure your hair is smooth, so when you do your ponytail, your ponytail can be as smooth as possible. So now I'm taking my Gorilla Snot and I'm going to start applying it at the beginning of my part. And I like to do this just so no stray hairs get in my part doesn't get messed up. You guys, I like my part as straight as possible. I want my hair to look laid. So this is going to be the most important part when you're doing your ponytail, is applying gel throughout your hair. If you only do one layer of gel on the top layer of your hair, that's where you get cracks and bumps, and I just don't like that. I like my ponytail to be as smooth as possible. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking my finger, I'm parting, and then I'm applying gel throughout my hair. Your parts don't have to be small, but I would do them like a medium size. So now I'm going to the other side, and I'm just going to keep doing that until I get to the back. And I'm back. So I'm going to take my gel, and I'm going to apply it to the perimeter of my hair. So to the sides, back, and apply it everywhere I didn't get when I was doing the part through. So now I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to comb through my hair, and this is just to work the gel in. So the reason I take my comb and comb through is because I want my hair to be as smooth as possible and as slick. You guys, I'm going to be using smooth and slick all through this tutorial, because that's how your hair is supposed to be. Your foundation is everything. So I'm just showing you guys how my hair looks. So now I'm going to take my hard brush. I'm going to start brushing on the part where where I have the most hair, I should say. And I'm just brushing back and smoothing it out as I brush it with my hand. So I'm going to continue brushing my hair until it is as smooth as I like it. And you guys, I like my hair really sleek, so I brush all the cracks, bumps, bruises out of it. Like, I want it as sleek as possible. So now I'm taking my hair tie and I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. And it's still not slick as I like it. So in this next step, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my water that I have in my water bottle, and I am going to spray it on my hair. And this is just to loosen up the gel a little bit. And I'm going to apply some more gel. And I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to brush it and slick it down. And even though my hair is in a ponytail, it's okay, because the drawstring is going to cover where it meets at the back, where it's not like as smooth. I just need my top portion to be smooth, because the rest is covered by the ponytail. So this is my side with the most hair. Now I'm going to the other side. I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side, and one thing that I did not mention that I did on the other side while I was doing it is I do take my comb sometimes with the smaller teeth, and I go through my ponytail and smooth it out that way sometimes, just so I get the little cracks and bumps and bruises. And now I'm just slicking my edges how I like them. And I'm going to take my Pump It Up spray. This is my spritz, and I'm going to put it over my head, wrap my head, go to sleep. And I'll see you guys when I wake up. And I'm up. So now I'm going to take my scarf off, and I'm going to apply some more spritz and take my blow dryer and just dry my hair, because I don't like my hair wet. So today I'm going to be using the Lush Girl Drawstring Ponytail by Model. And I'm going to go and loosen up some of the curls with my fingers, just because I don't like the curls that tight, but that's just my personal preference. And now I'm going to take the pick side of my comb and I'm going to go into the roots and fluff them out a bit. Now I'm going to take this rubber band and I'm going to put my hair in a bun. This is just easier so when I apply my drawstring ponytail, it can be as flat as possible. So this ponytail has 2 combs, and I'm going to put the top comb on the top of my bun and then the bottom comb under my bun, and I'm going to pull the drawstring and tighten it up that way. So after I finish applying my ponytail, I'm just seeing how I like it, fluffing it out. And I always check the back with my mirror just to make sure there's like no dents, it's not like smushed in or anything like that. So now I'm going to take my bobby pin, and this is just for extra security because I don't like to feel like my ponytail is loose, like that drives me crazy. And I'm just sticking pins where I feel that it's needed so my ponytail can be secure. So I could not find my edge control that I usually use, so I am going to use the Instant Freeze by Aussie. I'm going to put that over my edges. This works, you guys. I just like my edge control. And I'm just doing my edges to my liking. And this is the final look for my ponytail. It's really slick. And for me, the curls they don't look too fake. So I really like that about this ponytail, especially when I loosened up the curls with my fingers and my pick. So the very last thing we're going to do is do your sideburns. This is optional. So earlier, before I went to sleep, you might have saw that I had flexi rods in my head, or on the sides of my hair. That did not turn out good. They fell out while I was asleep, so I just skipped that part. And I'm just taking the same thing I use on my edges and I put it on my sideburns to slick them down. So you guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.